Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding the button until you see the Redmi logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after it's done, you should see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list by swiping on the screen. You can find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it, and after you select the language, you will see the message to download and install the Mi Fitness application on your phone that you want to use to pair the devices together. So go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness. With 2 S, of course, at the end. And you should see this application, Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear Lite. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. Okay, and once the application is done installing, to be honest, it took a while, we can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you will see some pop-ups about the permissions. For example, Bluetooth 1. This one is required, so allow it. If you don't see any more pop-ups, tap on Start. Check the first box, tap on Agree. And now we need to select a region. To do it, tap on Region right here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and then tap on it to select it. Then tap on Next. And now you should see the health page of the app. Tap on the device icon next. And here tap on Add Device. And probably you will need to log in into a Xiaomi account to continue. So tap on OK. If you don't have an account, you can always create an account by tapping on Create Account button right here. And then use it to log in. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna just enter the email address and password. Okay, we need to also check the box that we agree to the terms of use, and then we can tap on Sign In. And after you sign in, you will see more pop-ups about the permissions. For example, this is for notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, you have the location. If you want to use the location, you will need to first turn it on. I don't care about it right now, so I'm gonna tap on Cancel. And once you're done with the location, you will see this, and basically you can sync the fitness data on all of your devices connected to your account. If you want to do it, tap on OK. And finally, you should see the device page again, and we can tap on Add Device. The app will start searching for nearby devices. It should detect our watch. Tap on it. On the watch, tap on checkmark. On the phone, tap on Pair. Allow or deny the permissions for the notifications. Here we can again turn on the location. It really wants to have access to that location. I believe it's used for the different features like local weather, tracking on the map and stuff like that. So if you want to use those features, turn on the location, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on Cancel. And here for some reason it's in Chinese, but this is about the automatic updates through the Wi-Fi. So if you want to automatically update your watch when your watch is, I believe your watch or your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, you can check this box and it will do it. If you don't care, you can uncheck it and keep it disabled. Then tap on Resume. Here we can select the type of layout for our menu, and then we can tap on Resume. And here we can enable the notifications for incoming calls. This is basically useful if you want to see that somebody is calling you on your iPhone, on your watch. It will basically start vibrating and display the contact info and stuff like that. If you want to use it, check the box, tap on Resume. If you don't care, you can tap on Skip. Alright, if you enable the Show Contact Info, you will need to basically tap on Continue and select the contacts you want to share with the app. So you can check the box, tap on Continue, and then allow selected contacts. And then we can tap on Resume, I believe. Yes. And here we can also check the box for more notifications like events and reminders and stuff like that. If you want to use them, check them, tap on Resume. If you don't care, tap on Skip. Of course, you will need to allow some permissions for it to work. I believe that's everything. We can go back to the Mi Fitness app, resume. Oh no, it wants something from us. Calendar is full access. I don't know what's the problem. I didn't see. Oh, location, of course, it wants the access to location. So we can tap on location here, but we can't enable it for some reason. I believe because location is turned off. I don't remember where to turn on the location. So we're just gonna skip it for now. So I'm gonna uncheck this box and then tap on resume, and it won't bother me about location. Then we can tap on resume, and you should see the device page. That means that the watch is paired with your phone. You can tap on start on your watch, and you should be able to use it if you go through the tutorial or skip it. And here we have it. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.